HQ-BR6 is a patented racking solution for flat concrete roofs from HQ Mount. The use of high-quality materials, anodized aluminium and stainless steel, ensures durability and resistance to various weather conditions. A versatile design is suitable for both framed and unframed solar panels, allowing for landscape orientation of the modules while the system itself is arranged in columns. The tilt angle can be adjusted according to your needs, ranging from 0 to 60 degrees, providing flexibility in optimizing solar energy capture. Robust construction able to withstand high wind loads of up to 40 meters per second ensures stability and safety even in challenging weather climates. Additionally, the system can handle a snow load of up to 150 centimetres, making it suitable for regions with snowy climates. We prioritise safety and endurance, which is why our product incorporates a wind deflector that enhances the bracket stability. Pre-assembled modular racks simplify the installation process, minimising on-site assembly time and reducing labour costs. Additionally, it's very convenient to adjust the height as required, allowing you to optimise panel placement for maximum sunlight exposure and energy conversion. Dedicated to delivering a reliable and durable solution, we offer a 12-year product warranty. HQ Mount operates 5 factories equipped with multiple production lines to meet the growing demand for renewable energy. We have a sophisticated quality inspection lab and obtain various certifications. We adhere to industry regulations as we continue to provide premium quality products to customers worldwide.